Be ready for the dictation. Start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing a gathering on Panchayati Raj Day in Bihar, emphasized the importance of strengthening villages for the overall development of nation. He said that if villages become strong, India will progress faster, as the foundation of the nation lies in its rural economy and social structure. The government has been working consistently to improve connectivity and infrastructure in rural areas. Every Gram Panchayat is now being connected with high speed internet facilities, and common service centers are being expanded so that villagers can easily access government services and information. Panchayat bhavans are being constructed and modernized so that the rural population can have dedicated spaces for administration and community activities. The Prime Minister highlighted the remarkable example of women's empowerment in Bihar. The state has implemented 50% reservation for women in panchayats, giving them a decisive role in local governance. He said that this has not only strengthened democracy at the grassroots level but also promoted social justice and equality. Women leaders are actively participating in decision making processes, ensuring that the needs of villagers are addressed with sensitivity and vision. To further strengthen women's role in the economy, the central government has sanctioned a fund of 1000 crore rupees for women led self help groups. This initiative is expected to empower lakhs of women by providing them opportunities for self employment, small businesses, and community based enterprises. The Prime Minister mentioned that these groups are the backbone of rural entrepreneurship and have shown tremendous resilience in improving family incomes and community well being. He also referred to the support extended under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission, through which women in Bihar are being trained, supported, and connected to markets. More than 1 crore women are associated with self help group in Bihar, and their contribution is gradually transforming the rural economy. The Prime Minister stressed that this empowerment is not limited to financial independence but also leads to increased respect and recognition for women in their families and society. In his concluding remarks, Prime Minister Modi said that the dream of a developed India can only be achieved when villagers are self reliant, prosperous, and inclusive. Bihar, with its strong tradition of village institutions and women's participation, is showing the way forward. He assured that the government will continue to launch and implement schemes that make villages centers of progress opportunity and dignity for every citizen. Stop.